came home, came downstairs here, but then I realized that my package was delivered. So today, this video is going to be on installing these cable extensions, and I got white cable extensions. These SP120 fans, 120mm fans, RGB from Corsair, for about like 80 bucks I got them for, which was way cheaper than the other ones, the LL120s. But those look different, but they still look really nice, so I got those. And a 600-watt power supply to remove all the unnecessary cables. This is semi-modular because I literally cannot fit anything else. So what we're going to be doing is removing the 500-watt power supply, putting that to rest for a good 4 years, I think, or almost 5. I'm not 100% sure, I don't remember. And then we can go on installing that. So first we got to clear all that. Alright, so I got the side panel off. I just remembered, since I'm going to move one of these fans down here, I'm going to need to replace or remove that, which is going to be even more work, but it is what it is. I think now we're just going to tip it over again, get to the back, take off that panel, and start removing cables. We have all the cables here, SATA, PCIe, I think, some more SATA, power, definitely need, obviously, some Velcro straps comes with, that's good, the manual, I'm just going to put that down there, forgot. Here's the power supply. Alright, so yeah, I plugged in the hard drive now and all the correct cables, one SATA, one peripheral. That's all I needed really, and then the rest is already attached to the power supply, so let's hook it up now. Alright, got the 24 pin cabled, or braided I guess, now let's attach this. Alright, so I just came back from eating dinner, and yeah, focus, here we go. I have the cables in, they're looking pretty nice. I have the CPU, GPU, and motherboard. I'm not going to cover the back just yet and do all the cable management. Just, I want to turn it on, see how it runs and stuff. Maybe even leave it out like that, honestly, and just play with how it looks on that side. And then yeah, tomorrow I'll probably do the cable management properly. So next, I think is the exciting part, the fans. This over here. Now this box I do not want to destroy. Okay. Oh yes. Nothing else in the box. Let's close this up. What? No. Oh my gosh. That would have not been good. Let's install these. And then in here I think is the Commander Pro, which that's pretty good for $79.99. Comes with 3 RGB fans in white with the Commander Pro. I think that's not bad compared to $150 I was gonna pay before I installed these. Holy shit, guys. Look at this. That looks so good. So, the cables there, oh my god, it's coming along really good. Cannot wait to get those two together. So I just have the 2 cables here, so quickly to go over. Luckily it has a little tag that says 2 RGB hub, which is really nice. The other thing you can tell is that it's a more flat pin. The Commander Pro right here comes with 3M tape, so no screws needed whatsoever. And one side, if you can focus, I believe oh no, wait. So yeah, never mind, I got that wrong. So you still plug one of them into your motherboard, then the 2 RGB hub goes here, which controls the colors. I'm pretty sure. Alright guys, plugged everything in, have all fans up, the cables in, power supply. I'm gonna do cable management tomorrow, but let's see how this goes. 3, 2, 1. No way. That's so sick. It's like synced in with the RAM as well. CPU fan air. Oh, did I not plug that in? Alright guys, it's the next day. Got the fans, like the lights working, because I had to search, like, there's different categories. There's the SP fans, which are the old ones, and these are the SP RGB Elites. So it was like part of 8-pin. I'll show you guys after in IQ, but yeah, I'll show you guys that. We need to do the fan curve, we need to do all the cable management, and then we also gotta do this fan because I think I forgot to plug it in, and the RGB strips also aren't turning on, so we're gonna need to see what's going on with that. But yeah, let's do some cable management. Okay guys, so I think I'm done with all the management. Put the PCIe cable going under instead of coming from the side there. I had to remove the RGB strip because I still had all of these to manage, and I only was able to put it there where the fan was, and I didn't want it to interact with the front here. This one isn't too bad, all that is put together properly. And all these, just hopefully it's flush against there. But I think it's looking much better than before. Let's put on everything back together and clean up. Yes sir, side panels back on, everything's hooked up. We're just doing a fan collaboration to optimize all the new fans, and then we can set custom fan curve for these fans. Yeah, it's pretty sick.